Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic called SEO content writing for your particular website. So I'm explaining one of the websites called Astro Shai Shankar website. Is astrologers in US and Canada. So in this website, how we can writing for perfect SEO content for SEO perfect title and description by using cPanel. So lot of people asking question, sir, how we can adding the SEO title for static website? So we can promoting for entire page. I can show into the particular video. This is complete will be depend on cPanel. Depend on website, the people will be writing for title description particular website. So this design for the blog, in this blog, they don't writing any kind of title description keyword. This is a completely will be empty here. You can see this one complete will be. So in this one, how we can writing for perfect title description and keywords. That will be how we can helping for particular users. After this one, how we can indexing for Google search results. That mean by content optimization on your particular Google search results. That is called I can making writing for blogs here. That is the first important. In this purpose, first of all, what are the content you are promoting? The depend on your writing skills will be here. So I'm promoting for astrologers in this particular option. So here, this. So I'm writing in your front and in this. Here you can writing astrologers. Here all options are here. So we can using in the description famous best Indian astrologers in USA, Canada, and he's a top Indian spiritual healer. So I can maintain the all proper keywords here. Indian astrologers, best astrologers, famous astrologers, here all will be using the particular keywords here. So main thing is called we have to planning the proper keyword to promoting purpose. So that will be use this all options. Now I'm using this one best astrologer in US and Canada. For complete blog, I can promoting this option. Astrologer services in US and Canada here. So in this one, I can promoting for my website name also. In this, first of all, I copy the title. So here I can just scrolling the my pages here. First, here in this, my title is blogs. In this, go to your particular website file manager. So depend on website, the option will be visible by particular website. That is, writing for content skills are more important for each and every page. Depend on developer, we have writing for SEO skills on a particular page. So here I'm selecting for blog page and edit. Here, what are the content will be there? Blogs. Here is the title. In this blog option, I can writing for my title will be here. Now save this option. Once save this, this blog will be adding the particular keyword. How to know that? We have to refresh this option here. So immediately the reflection will be going on here. Best astrologers in US and Canada, astrologers in US and Canada option will be here. So these all option will be changing the particular pattern. Next one, we can implement further your description. So based on the option, we have to use the particular content. So description here. So it's just changing and you can refresh the content. So immediately the reflecting content will be here. So previous is blog. Now you can refresh it. Now content will updated for particular page. This page will be shown to the on all particular page content will highlight on the blog option. SEO friendly content is more important on the particular video part. So what are the parameters will be follow? That is the most important SEO content is the major part that is called on page optimization. Once you done perfect on-page optimization, we can easily done by off-page optimization option. So that is the major part of particular any pages. So admin is different, static page is different. Now we implement for particular static pages. How we can implement the static pages to writing the skill of title description. After this one, we can use this for the particular keyword option. Keyword will be, there is a theory type or keywords type, both will be flexible. So it is coming to this option. After this one, now you can refresh. So anything will be comma, full stop, anything mistake, they will be not consider your proper option. So proper done by title, description, keyword. So anything you can change on your title description. Anytime you can change by using by cPanel. Static all pages is done by the only for cPanel, and admin will be complete for dynamic sectors that will be given by the admin pages. So these two are very important on your particular website to updating for SEO friendly content. Suppose if I'm changing this one, so people will be searching best astrologers in USA. So most of the people will be search here. See this one, top astrologer USA, best top astrologers. Here is every option will be there. See this one, best famous Indian astrologers. See this option. Everyone, most of the people using this keyword. This is a particular blog you are promoting time. We can use the particular things. There is a best astrologer in US and Canada, astrologer services US and Canada here. So people searching will be this also more important. Copy, paste here. In this, we can see this one. Anything most of the persons promoting astrology services. So these all will be important to promoting the content on your particular websites. See this one. So these all content will be very very important to promoting for your particular websites. These all nothing but will updating SEO will be where your particular blog option to update on your particular website. This is a parameter we can follow to write the perfect SEO content on your website to index on the Google and promote your website also. So enter content, what are the highlight point we can writing for particular blog. Individual pages, the content will be completely different. So that will be promoting for individual country wise and particular space wise. That means by what are the place or country state will be promote, we can promote it will be here. So this option we can utilize and activate your particular title description keyword and update your pages and call your Google to rank your website pages also. So this is a formula we can follow to increase the views for the traffic to generate on your particular website. There is a writing for perfect SEO screen. So static page is cPanel, dynamic will be admin panel option. So how we can writing admin panel, we can discuss in the next video. I'll show you how to writing the admin panel option. So this is the writing skill for static pages, proper SEO content to highlight the page on the particular website. If you follow the instruction, any particular cPanel user you are facing writing any SEO title skills, you always contact my channel. I definitely will support your particular website, how to writing skills on your particular website. Once you're done, the major important is called indexing. So that will be major particle is called index option. What are the blog you can index? What are the content you will be index? The first part is called index your content. Anytime you're changing the title description keyword, is already index. Requesting to index and text the live URL. This compulsory use these parameters. This option will be very flexible on your particular website to indexing for what are the title you change, description you can change, and keyword will be changed. That index on Google purpose, compulsory the URL will be index on Google Search Console important. The option name is called URL inspection. Don't forget this option. What are the continue change SEO? Immediately URL will be same. The title will be indexing purpose. We can go this option. So sometime will be went wrong. We can go for text live URL option. No need to worry. Sometime will be taking some will be update time. They can't take the URL on time. So that is called you can setting for text live URL option, request index and text live URL. Don't forget This is a live scenario I'll show to how you can updating what are the title you done that immediately will reflecting purpose. Compulsory you can do Google Search Console option. Any URL, what are the title you change, description you can change. Immediately you can do option name is called Google Search Console. That is name is called URL inspection. So this is the option for SEO title, guys. If you are, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, comment me any question about the static pages, dynamic pages, content or optimize your website. I'll definitely will be support your particular website to help the ranking on SEO Google first page purpose. Thank you. Thank you very much.